Hey everyone, it's your friend, Mohammed Essa, back here on Beta Tech. Are you tired of boring, run-of-the-mill smartwatches? Well, fret no more. Because today, we're turning our attention to the highly anticipated Amazfit Balance Smartwatch, packed with AI features designed to elevate your fitness journey. This watch doesn't just tell time, it practically coaches you to fitness greatness. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be wowed. There is a small request before we begin. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your tech friends. For those who don't know, Amazfit's wearable collection essentially serves as a more cheaper option from Samsung's and Apple's products. Even so, it does not mean that the affordable options cannot compete with premium brands in terms of features and quality. Since the Balance has the iconic design of the GTR watches, it also includes a variety of features and operations. Let's check more closely, so don't skip the video because the last feature is so amazing. AI-powered health tracking. The Amazfit Balance's AI integration is its outstanding feature. Through Zepp Aura on the Zepp app, Amazfit has managed this. Zepp Aura provides comprehensive sleep data for users by using artificial intelligence. Also, the AI Sleep Assistant provides recommendations on how to improve your sleep based on that report. Also, AI-powered chatbots feature with the Amazfit Balance smartwatch. It can understand all of your questions because it makes uses of large language models. You can ask questions of the Zepp Aura AI Wellness Coach with this integration, and you will expect clear, straightforward responses. The Zepp AI Fitness Coach is also able to be linked with AI. It utilizes user data, just like the Wellness Coach, and generates a detailed report. The Amazfit Balance is able to make ideas on how to boost your level of fitness. You may also ask the Zepp AI Fitness Coach questions, just like you can with the Wellness Coach. However, the Amazfit Balance Fitness AI Coach is more concerned with providing details about sports and fitness than the Wellness Coach, which put a more focus on relaxation and overall health. Also, note that the AI services are only available through subscription, but if you're getting the new smartwatch, you get a 3-month free trial. New and upgraded sensors. Instead of AI-powered capabilities, the Amazfit Balance has some upgraded hardware. The smartwatch has a dual LED Bio Tracker 5. It's an optical biometric data sensor with highly precise data collection features. Also, the smartwatch can be used for tracking your level of physical and mental relaxation. Every morning, you'll be able to see your readiness score, which will show you how well you've balanced your levels of exercise and rest. There are extra features for measuring body composition in the Amazfit Balance smartwatch. Skeletal muscle mass, bone mass, water mass, BMI, protein levels, and basal metabolism can all be properly measured on it. If this feature seems familiar to you, it's the same features found in high-end Samsung and Apple smartwatches. Note that the data that has been recorded is limited to the upper body. Amazfit suggests using the Amazfit Body Composition Analyzer mat with the Balance smartwatch for a whole body composition report. Contactless payment feature. Contactless payment is another feature of the Amazfit Balance that is new to the Amazfit smartwatch series. Zepp Pay and Amazfit have integrated, allow you to make purchases without taking out your phone or wallet. MasterCard and Amazfit have partnered to support Zepp Pay. Your transactions with the Amazfit Balance are safe and secure through to this collaboration. Also, the Curve app and Zepp Pay are integrated. You would then be able to use contactless payments in all 31 EU member states. Class-leading GPS accuracy. There are 6 satellite position systems included with the Amazfit Balance. That will enable the smartwatch to provide you with the most accurate location data when paired with dual-band GPS. In fact, the smartwatch has no trouble tracking your location, even when you're in the spaces between city center buildings. Additionally, the Amazfit Balance provides you with the ability to import a route. Using the associated Zepp app, you are able to do this. And following the import, you have greater accuracy when navigating around a city and unfamiliar areas. Sleek and classic design. The classical design of the Amazfit GTR watches is carried over into the Amazfit Balance. However, you will be able to customize the watch's appearance to your desire. More than 200 watch faces are compatible with it. And on the 1.5-inch HD AMOLED screen, they all look fairly good. The design additionally puts a strong emphasis on comfort. The watch weighs only 35 grams total, and it has a choice of a liquid silicone band that resists perspiration or an incredibly light nylon strap. Built-in storage for music. There is 2.2 GB of internal storage featured with the Amazfit Balance. It may be used to store all of your favorite audio tracks, enabling you to engage in outdoor activities and exercise without using a phone at all. Ultra-reliable battery. You shouldn't be worried by seeing the Amazfit Balance at 0%. With regular use, the Amazfit's large battery can run the device for up to 14 days. Additionally, the watch can run for up to 5 days when the AOD mode is on. So these were some of the prominent features of Amazfit Balance AI smartwatch. How did you like it? Must tell in the comment box, because your comments give me more motivation. And yes, if you want to buy this watch, I have given the link in the description. You can go and buy it from there. Also, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, exciting tech news, and helpful tutorials.